stuffed bird laughed. Stuffed bird laughed. The stuffed bird laughed. I kissed the sky, then in a past life masquerade men would parade. I have no satisfaction in this so-called romance, but I think it might be me who is to blame. I look for guys to blame when the one at fault is the one who uses a pseudonym that depends on the day. And the stuffed bird laughed, and I sat and cried, but it's fine, I'll just mentally light a cigarette. Only have unsweet tea at 12:09. I make up a lie saying you're the love of my life, when it's really a fair weather relationship where neither of us is gonna come out of it being fine. And I say all that, but I think I know who's to blame. I look for guys to blame when the one at fault is the one who uses a pseudonym that depends on the day. And the stuffed bird laughed, and I sat and cried, but it's fine, I'll just mentally light a cigarette. Only have unsweet tea at 12:09. I'd 9. You confuse me, you use your non-dominant hand to give me a sense of life, an incandescent light. I'm just such a bitch going round and round, finding pretentious guys to blame for all the problems in my life. So it should be expected for me to feel this misery. So stuffed bird takes a sec to laugh at me. Stuffed bird laughed.